Welcome everyone to my channel. Today I am going to make an electronic circuit by using Tinkercad online tool. Let's see what is Tinkercad. Tinkercad is an online platform developed by Autodesk company to simulate simple electronic circuits online. It's a free platform with the support of a great community. You can use what people have already built in our designs. Advantages of using Tinkercad. To visualize the behavior of a circuit and a program before moving into the real world. Can avoid component damage. No need to buy components. Let's log into Tinkercad online tool. First, you need to log into a Gmail account and then open a new tab and search as tinkercad.com and then sign in with Google. Here you can go to circuits. Over here you can see the circuits you have made before. Now click as create new circuit. Here are all the equipments you need to make circuit. And from here you can discover pre-made circuits. Or you can search any equipments you need from this search box. Now let's start to make the simple circuit. First you need a 9 volts battery, a small breadboard and two LED bulbs. When you drag your cursor to these lines, they highlight. It means they are connected together. If you need to connect the battery to the breadboard, you need to take wires. You can take wires from clicking this button. Now there are 4 types of wires. You need to take the normal wire and go to the plugs of the battery and drag it while clicking. Like this. Now these lines are not connected together because of the you need to connect them with wires like this, or you can get it all the way up. And a resistor over here. Now you need to connect LED bulbs to the breadboard. Positive to the anode and negative to the cathode. Like this. Now you need to change the color of these wires. For that you need to select this wire and go to this, and you can change to the color you need. Now you must connect a resistor because if you don't equip a resistor, these bulbs will get blasted. Removing the resistor, you can see if those bulbs get blasted or not by removing the resistor and fixing this wire over here. Now press Start Simulator and you can see that these bulbs will blast up. Now equip the resistor and start simulation. Let's see if this works. Yes, it works. Now you need to give a name to this circuit. You can press on this and give it a name. Thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe, hit the bell and share it, and have a nice day. Bye bye.